everybody, doing a little bench cutting here, digging some fill out. Got the laser eye on it down there. Took a video of this the other day. It was sunny and hard to see, so I'll explain it again. So that eye that I got down there on the right side of the boom is a laser receiver. The laser's over there by that building. And then this, I don't know if that's in the field of view or not, but this right up above the screen here is the remote to that. So it reads out the exact same thing that I can see down there on that also. And plus that beep that you hear is it telling me the information, just like it was on the grade rod. If it's beeping high, you need to go down. If it's beeping low, you need to go up. So that pink mark I got down there on the bucket, where the bucket pin is, that's where I set the bucket to check grade. Line them marks up and then I'll set it down. A little bit high there still. I like to do it that way. A lot of guys will uncurl the bucket all the way and use the teeth to check grade with, but I like using a little broader, wider surface. That way it's a more accurate reading, in my opinion. If the tooth's down in a hole or anything, why, it really doesn't give you a good picture of the whole, of the area as a whole. It tells you what that very end of that tip of that tooth is, but it doesn't really tell you the grand scope of things. And I am kind of listening to that as I go, even though you can't use it to dig with. But I'm kind of listening to that as I go, just to kind of get a reference roughly of where I'm at. It is a it's a Spectra Precision LR50W is what that is. That's the eye that it is. It has 360 degree receivability, and that light that you see down below the arrows that keeps going side to side is actually a plumb indicate. When you got it in the excavator mode, that's showing me where plumb's out on my stick. So I know that I'm setting it back down as close to the same place. I mean, it varies some, but I'm setting it back down as close to the same place every time when I'm shooting grade, same configuration. So that gives me a more accurate reading. And I'm not taking many pains with this. We're just bench cutting this out of here. That's on grade right there. We're just bench cutting this out of here about 6 inches above where I really want to end up with my pad elevation. So we're just trying to hog the dirt right now out and get that other end brought up over there. Dirt and rocks. There's plenty of rocks. Stuff's actually packing very well, though. It's got just about the right moisture content. It's kind of sticking in the trucks, but other than that, it's doing a good job packing down. Calling about 3 or 4 inches of rain the next 2 days, so I'm trying to get this kind of shaped up to where it's halfway drained at least. Looks like I'm gonna have to get some fuel. It's about on empty. realize I'm a long ways from the trucks, but I'm trying to straighten this line up a little bit. It was all cattywampus, if that's a word. I'm sure some of you YouTube people haven't heard cattywampus, but maybe that's just a Southwest Missouri term. I don't know. Or maybe that's just my term.